Oh, this has been a great day. Damn. Now I am effed, guys. What up? No. So actually, I called a specialist now, or a professional about engine, to see what is actually happening. To let me check what actually happened to my engine, and you can't believe what he said happened to it. He said the engine knocked. It knocked engine. Why? Like no. Not engine. Now he has already list the part I'm gonna buy, but part wants to choke me. Like no. Everything is just so bad here. If you can see the amount of the parts he listed on this morning, on just this small engine, like I'm so surprised. Oh no. This is just so bad, I swear. I This is just so bad. He said I have to replace, maybe this, is it pasting or something. He said I have to replace the shaft. I don't even know. He said I have to replace the shaft or something. I don't really know what he said, but he list about five things I'm gonna change about inside this engine, and the money is actually the problem now. What's this? Oh. That's a. I'll find a way to fix myself. I'll find a way to find it. Oh no. This is just so. Oh, I don't even think this. What I'm gonna spend on this engine is actually gonna be much. It's gonna be much like the one is listed here. But do I have a choice? I don't have a choice than to buy. No. This thing is just too expensive, man. Just because I didn't start it for like, is it like 5 or 6 months? Maybe 5 or 6 months ago, I didn't start it. It is just under the direct sunlight, and the rain is also falling on it. So that is why. That is what caused this problem now. That is what caused the engine problem now. You can see. I actually dismantled everything. You can see. Like I'm so devastated right now because the money, I can't even afford most of the money right now because everything is just so no. Because all the things he actually listed here are expensive. The paste I'm gonna buy, maybe everything is just like 50 to maybe $50 to $40. Everything I'm gonna buy there. So I don't even know what to do right now, I swear. No, I don't even plan for this, I swear. I don't plan for all this. But do I have any choice than to replace it? I have to replace it. I don't have any choice. So guys, actually this video I'm making, I want to make it 3 parts, but the amount is still surprising me. The amount I'm gonna use to repair this engine is still surprising me. But let's put that aside. I'm gonna be making this video 3 part. I don't want to make it too long. So the last part I will be uploading it when I have seen enough cash to rebuild the engine, because I'm just a broke little boy. I don't even have a specific work I'm doing currently, so I have to depend on people to help me. Anyway, I'm gonna see the money. That's not a problem. But I want to make this video 3 parts. I don't want it to be too long. And the last part, the engine is gonna be ready. And I don't think we have a problem. So by next week, be expecting the last part of this, of here where I'm rebuilding the engine. And within next week, I should test ride this project also. So this is Dami Motorized. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.